In this video, you will learn how to connect to a new IP controller out of the box. That the initial device ID equals 2 million plus the total rotary switch value, and that the product is shipped with DHCP on.
PCT version 10.3 supports N2 controllers along with BACnet MSTP controllers and our new BACnet IP controllers. To switch between the different controllers, simply go to Settings, Release Mode, and choose 10.3 for IP controllers and 10.2 for BACnet MSTP and N2 controllers at the current revision. For older controllers, simply choose the 10.0 release mode. There are 3 different methods to connect to BACnet IP controllers. So I'll go to Tools and Controller Information. Now I can connect directly from the Ethernet. I could connect using the MAP 4.2 or greater, and I can also connect using the Bluetooth. The MAP and the direct Ethernet connection will support controller information, uploading, downloading, and commissioning. The Bluetooth connection only supports controller information and uploading. So you will not be able to download a controller with a Bluetooth BTCVT. There is a MAP connected to the SA port for my IP controller. The MAP is also connected to the same Ethernet router as the IP controller. So I'll use the MAP connection to find the IP controller. It will use the Ethernet address in the MAP. Now, if I was using the MAP's Wi-Fi connection, I would use the MAP's BACnet IP address. But in this case, I'm on Ethernet with the MAP. I'm going to also put in the UDP port from the MAP, 47808. The MAP has a network number set up of 3000, so I'll also use that. And now I'll simply hit Next to go ahead and discover that controller. PCT found the IP controller, and that IP controller has a device name of no application. This controller was taken out of the factory box and has not yet been configured with PCT. It has a MAC address of 4. Now that MAC address is fixed and it cannot be changed in PCT or on the controller. It is a PCB 1930. It has an instance number of 2,000,001. So the rotary switches have a total value of 1, so only the first rotary switch is dialed to 1. So that 2 million plus that 1. Now if I press Next, additionally I can see the IP address. Now, this controller has DHCP on. The PCT computer also has DHCP on, They're both connected to the same router, so we will automatically discover this controller. If, however, we directly connected our PCT laptop to the IP controller, we would not be able to discover it. But we could get in using the map to find the IP address. We could then set the IP address on the PCT computer to something like 192.168.1.100, which would allow us to find and discover, upload and download that controller using the direct Ethernet connection. Now I could use the map connection to download an application in the controller. However, I'm going to just go ahead and demonstrate that I can also use Bluetooth. So here I have my Bluetooth connection. I have my BT-CBT now connected to the SA trunk instead of the map. I can click Next and go out and find that controller. Hit Next, I can get all the same information I received from the map. Lastly, I can use the Ethernet connection. So this is a direct Ethernet connection. Again, because my IP address of my computer is in the same realm as the IP address of the IP controller, I can use the Ethernet connection to upload, download, and commission.